Saturday auction yard. I am picking up a Seat Leon. It is 2008. And here we go, guys. We have got a Seat Leon 1.9 TDI. It's the PD engine. It is the DSG model as well. That is the main reason I bought this. I have got big plans for this one, guys. Let's have a look around it. As you can see, guys, it is looking stunning. The paintwork, very impressed with this. Bear in mind, this is a category N. I've got big plans for this. I need a daily driver. A little bit of damage there to the rear door and wheel arch. Again, driver's side paint looks really good, but we'll do a proper walk around at some point. First of all, let's have a look what the inside looks like. Leather interior all round. I haven't seen one with leather interior, so I'm very impressed with this. Let's see if it starts. Keys out. Unlock everywhere. First start, guys. Mileage 94. All the lights on the dash. Well, there you go. Have a good look at that. And sounds sweet, mate. Little puff of smoke. Right, guys, as you can see, leather interior, and the leather looks absolutely stunning, minus the mold, obviously. Looks like a really good car. Got a bit of mold there. And see if there's any smoke. No smoke. Oh, you got all them lights on the dash, but they might come off. They might come off once you start driving the car. So right, guys, so this is the car here. Discs, pretty much brand new discs. Tires, pretty much really good tread on the tires all round. Yeah, pretty good tread. There's a line there, so you know we got really good tread on them. Bodywork, guys, so this is a category N, but this time I've made sure I've gone and got something that's not too bad. Little minor dent there, that'll pull out easy. And then here, polish, nicely buff out. Should be good, should be good. Yellow, I know. So, leather interior, guys. Smells really nice in here considering there is mold, but it does smell good. We do have heated seats as well. I'm just checking if they work. Turn this one up as well. What I have noticed is that working? Doesn't seem like the fan is working. Doesn't seem like the fans are working for some reason. Radio works. What else do we got? Audio. So we got an aux. DSG, obviously the most important part of this car is that DSG box. It is really filthy inside. Lights, put them on auto, but let's just see if they work. So we do have automatic lights. Let's just have a look at their work. Yep, they seem to work really well. Engine bay as well. Let me pop the engine for you guys, 1 minute. Right, look at that. We don't have service history with the car, but we do have that sticker saying service is due at 95.5. 6th of the 1st, 2022 it was done. You can see by the look of this engine how clean it is. It is absolutely stunning here. There's no oil, there's nothing. This is a really good one. Yeah, away we go. We've got timing belt. Timing belt was done as well. Can't really see a date on that, but I'll have to look at that properly. Right, guys, in the Seat, just stopped at Tesco because what I wanted to do, as you see, there was a little bit of mold. I did wipe it down and all that, but wasn't really satisfied with that. So I decided to go to Tesco and decided to get some antibacterials, some microfibers, as well as window and glass cleaner. Now, the window and glass cleaner, guys, is sort of like, in my head, I'm kind of assuming that it's pretty much similar to white vinegar, and apparently white vinegar is good at cleaning and killing mold. So I decided to get that because they didn't actually have white vinegar. You can actually buy white vinegar in the same spray containers, but unfortunately, They didn't have none, so window and glass cleaner was my next choice. So I'm going to park up somewhere, fill up some fuel, and then I'm just going to give the car a little wipe down, and then we're going to head out for an MOT. So stay tuned. Hopefully this car passes, and then it's going to be a simple thing as buying the car, picking it up, MOT, hopefully it passes. If it doesn't pass, it's okay, because I'm not going to spend my time walking around the car looking for what needs doing. I'd rather take it there, let them decide whether it's going to pass or not. They'll do all the inspection. I get 10 days to obviously go back to the MOT station and then get the MOT done after the 10 days. Well, within 10 days or something like that. So it just saves me a lot of hassle than walking around the car and trying to inspect it, going tomorrow to get something done that probably doesn't need doing. I'd rather go, let them either pass it or fail it, and then I'll sort out what needs doing for the failures. If it passes, job done, and then we can just give the car a good clean, polish up, sort out the little dents, bodywork, list the car for sale, and we should be in it. What? I think I paid around $1,250 for this, $1,230. I'll round up the numbers when I get in, but we should be making about £1,200 on this profit, £1,200 to £1,500 profit. So stay tuned. Let's see how we get on, guys. Continue the video when I find somewhere to park up. Right, guys, as you can see, it's getting a little bit dark, but I've actually done all the interior. I've done the rear seats. I've actually left it quite. I've wiped it down, so obviously the mold has all been wiped down, but I've actually just let it soak on there. The mold has actually been wiped off there, to be honest with you. It's just like a stain, so we'll have to deal with that at some point. But I have sprayed all over, I have wiped everything down, and then what I've done is obviously sprayed some antibacterial on top of that, and I'm just going to let it sit. I've also done carpets and everything, just so whatever mold is on the carpets, it's not going to be able to float around with the windows open. And that way there we don't have no mold particles floating around in the car while I'm driving, because unfortunately the fan and the heater blower is not working. So that's the first thing I need to address, and we'll figure out how we're going to do that. But overall it's done. I will continue the video tomorrow. Right, guys, so what I'm going to do now is end the video now, because it's getting really dark. I need to get for an MOT, and what I'll do is I'll continue the MOT video and any repairs that's needed for the MOT in the next video. So if you're not subscribed, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I hope today's video was useful to you guys. See you people in the next one. Bye bye.